So, in the interest of new and interesting things, as it were, I thought I'd like to show you my studio before I put anything in it. So it's somewhat mad, but kind of epic. Now, up until recently, we had no power up here, so the electrician has very kindly fitted me with plugs and lights, which is very exciting, so I can come up here in the night and see where I'm going, what I'm doing. And these rooms will all be full of embroidery stuff by the end of the day. Say hello, Squiggy. Hello. So here we are. This is where I shall soon be. In the crazy, wondrous world of our new house. And now we're done. So nothing's kind of exactly where it's going to be, but we've got a kind of little packing room and paper and bits and bobs and how to pack all my work so it can find a nice new home. It's my stereo that I haven't yet sorted out. Here we go with Musicy Corner. All my various bits and bobs and things. My bears, some books, my printer, and my desk under the window. Oh, and Leonard. Say hello, Leonard. There you go. Thank you, Leonard. A notice board, my new embroidery, all my bits and bobs and thingamajiggies. So we've got wool and my scan and cut, some embroideries that need looking after properly, but I've just popped them there for now. Lace pillow and spinning wheel. Hello, Scooby. These are my sewing machines. They'll all be up on a table at some point, and some embroidery frames. So we're getting there.